What about discretionary spends? With all the measures that the government is taking, is it really picking up with that kind of pace? Because you would have a clear pulse of it.
So I think when we look at from the point of view of government spending, whether it is spending with respect to the bridges, the highways, the roads, airports, defense, railways, I think that is something which is really growing at a very, very strong pace, and that is really fueling a lot of growth to that extent. When it comes to possibly the whole area of housing, what we are finding is that there are different trends happening there. So for example, the trend at luxury and premium, I think, is growing much faster as compared to possibly the mid and the lower end to that extent. The whole advent of second homes, for example, is growing at a very scorching pace today in terms of what we can see, and therefore the whole segment of premium and luxury will grow much faster, in our opinion, as compared to possibly the eco and the smart segment in terms of which is there. And therefore, I think today that is a sector which we need to kind of really capitalize and catch on. And that's why a lot of work in terms of whether it is from the point of view of products, whether it is from the point of view of services in terms of what we are doing. Because one of the big things which, as I said, industrial and B2B also is going to change is the entire service industry. The whole area of hospitality is going to be very, very big, because today one of the big growth drivers is travel and hospitality.
Yeah, tourism.
And if that develops, which means that many more chains will come into India of hotels, many more eateries will come, and so on and so forth. So today I think hospitality becomes a very big area of investment which is there, which we need to kind of go after. So I think how the paradigm is changing is that it's just not about conventional home marketing now. It's about owning homes, which is in the paradigm of smart homes to premium to luxury homes. It is about owning the whole game of B2B, which is about the factories, the government sector, the whole private capex-led hospitality business to that extent. It is about the core industrial business, which is about catering to the auto, the two-wheelers market, to some of those industries in terms of how you would like to kind of cater to. And therefore, really segmenting the whole strategy going forward, which is just not based in terms of saying that I need to focus largely in terms of just the retail business.
You could have a Nilaya hotel actually. Have Sabya design it for you.
So today we have, actually you would be surprised that today Nilaya is our brand for wallpapers. So there is Nilaya by Sabyasachi, which is there, which is for the luxury segment. But we have Nilaya, which is our wallpaper brand, which is in the premium segment as well. And that basically gets sold across possibly, more than 3,000 outlets across the country to that extent. We also have, basically, as I said, we have a brand called Nilaya Arc, which is a luxury brand in terms of what we have introduced. And we have Nilaya Furnishings now, which is there, So
you have everything that it takes to get into hospitality, since you're so bullish on that sector.
Absolutely.